Hey everybody, it's Julie Marie and I'm giving you a peek in my Protective Diet refrigerator on Saturday. And I made my ferments so that they were ready on Saturday. Probiotic pickled onions, escabeche, ruby raw kraut. These are a tomato blend and I have some baby little cherry green tomatoes back there from last week. Got my melon cut, watermelon, and honeydew, and I have a bunch of different protective beverages that I've been working on here. There's the blue chai, there's a green tea behind it, and some flower water. And up top is the fun stuff. So I'm working on that sugar-free jam. We've got a bunch of different flavors here, and I'm making fruit on the bottom yogurts with my 4-ounce ferment weight jars. Hopefully you have those in your Protective Diet workplace for wellness. And there's my yogurt stash, and this is fermented salsa that was ready today, but I haven't blended it because I have a jar that's blended already. And there's my preserved lemons, and my refrigerator is asking me to shut the door. Take care and best of health.